Do you believe that positive thinking works? Now, it may sound odd, but I believe that this is one of the biggest myths of this century. It just doesn't work. Nor does motivation. We may get very motivated after attending a motivation seminar or watching a motivation video, but the next day it just vanishes. Now, these are two of the most popular words on social media. Most of the posts which get maximum likes are about positive thinking and motivation. Then how can I say that they don't work? Let me give you an example. I'm sure you would have experienced those virtual reality games where they put a device on your eyes and they ask you to walk in a straight line. But the impression which the device gives to your brain is that you are at a height and you are walking down a narrow plank without any support. And try however hard you may, at least the first couple of tries, it's almost impossible to walk down that plank in that straight line. Why? Because there is some wiring in our brain which makes us afraid of heights, and this wiring is so strong that we may try getting ourselves very motivated. We can continuously think positive, but it's almost impossible to walk in that straight line. But then how can these circus acrobats and other performers who perform at a height are able to bypass this wiring? Do they use certain mind hacks? What are these mind hacks? How can these mind hacks be learned? Or if I speak more generally, then as per Wikipedia, there is 8% of the world's population which controls 80% of the wealth of the world. And these guys, they can seemingly do impossible tasks. They can concentrate for hours on their work without getting distracted. They can easily quit bad habits and acquire good habits instantly. They hardly get stressed or anxious. They plan their success. They can easily handle setbacks and stay persistently focused on their goals. So how can these 8% people do it, and why do the rest of us 92% have to struggle with issues like anxiety, stress, etc.? Do these 8% people, do they use certain mind hacks? If you are interested in knowing more about these mind hacks, do check out our Happy Cheerful Life program. In this program, we equip you with mind hacks to instantly start reducing anxiety. We uncover and help you unlearn the wiring in the brain, which is the real cause of anxiety. We share the secret techniques used by the top athletes to avoid thinking of failure before any big event. We help you with mind hacks to easily handle setbacks and stay focused. But most importantly, we help you get back the cheerful exuberance of life. Many of the top leaders of some of the biggest corporates like Maruti Suzuki, India Post Payment Bank, Universal Sompo have been trained by us, and they are actively using these techniques and getting benefited by them. So if you are interested in knowing more about these mind hacks, do check out this program, Happy Cheerful Life. Thank you.